What's up guys? So today we're in Culver City, right outside of the famous Titos Tacos right now. There's a huge line as this place is a staple in LA. So yeah, I'm really excited right now. And we're about to see if these tacos are worth all the hype. Let's do it. It's the line guys. Look how long it is. Alright, what's up guys? So we just came back from that long Titos line. It paid off because everything looks amazing. We got the enchiladas right here, the beef tacos, the Titos tacos, beef and cheese Titos tacos, their specialty item. So we can't get Titos tacos without their tacos. Yeah, apparently their sauce is really good too, and their green sauce. It's only right we start off with the Titos tacos, so let's see you guys. There's a lot of cheese in there, lettuce and ground beef. Let's do it. That looks really crunchy. You hear that crunching? Wow. She's a hard shell taco, guys. Let me try it with some of their green salsa. It's jalapenos, and chili, carrots. It's that jalapeno sauce. You see how it is. Pairs well with the taco. It's a bit tangy, slight hint of sourness, and a little kick from the jalapeno. It's pretty fire. Wow. This taco shell is like chips, so crunchy. And this beef meat right here, guys, it's almost like beef sausage. It's really thick. It's really juicy. It's not your typical ground beef, where it's very rubbly. It's really thick and juicy. So this is the meat in there, guys. There's a lot of it. Super juicy. Kind of looks like that kofta sausage. Middle Eastern cuisine. So Brad over here says that it tastes like a Taco Bell taco on steroids. And I'll have to agree. All the ingredients are there. There's just a lot more cheese. The beef is just really juicy and good. There's a lot of it. It's just like a really juicy sausage. The shell is just extra crunchy. And it's big. They indeed taste like a Taco Bell taco on steroids. So I'm gonna try their burrito. This is the bean, cheese, rice, and beef burrito. The meat pieces in here are larger. It actually tastes like big chunks of beef sausage. It's just really juicy. It's like beans and cheese just oozing out of this thing. And the cheese is more melted because this burrito is actually hot. Before we move on to this enchilada right here, I'm gonna take a intermission break to eat some of these chips, known as one of their specialty items at Titos too. Wow. I like the salsa, it's really fresh. It's cold. There's big, huge chunks of tomato in there. Pairs well with these extra crunchy chips. This is gonna turn into an ASMR video because everything in here is really crunchy. But it's not too oily either, which is weird. Usually when it's really crunchy, the taco shells and the chips are very oily, but not too bad. Their enchilada, guys. See some shredded melted cheese on there. Cut this bad boy up. Look at this. It's oozing in sauce. Wow. There's a huge chunk of cheese in that enchilada. I almost mistook it for meat. This is unique taste coming out of this enchilada. I can't put my finger on it. Mole, yeah, that's the word. Yeah, it's not a tomato-based enchilada. The sauce is really creamy and it's almost sweet. There's almost like a cinnamon taste in here. I don't know if you guys had mole before, but it's basically Mexican chocolate that you could eat. Yeah, this is a mole burrito for sure. Mole enchilada. You can't see it, but it's filled with a lot of cheese. Titos been around for 60 years. It's definitely an LA staple, and I can see why. The thing that separates them is the quality. It's nice and simple, and a lot of meat in here, cheese, all the ingredients are fresh. It's a nice local grab when you're feeling like some crispy hard shell tacos. And I'm gonna put some guacamole on this last taco right here. Gotta go big.
Wow.
Look at all that juice. Yeah, they're finally open now, so all the Angelinos are flocking to get their fresh Titos tacos. This is my first time having Titos tacos, and overall, I give it a solid review. It's pretty good. It's just simple, classic hard shell tacos. All their ingredients are really fresh, like the salsa. I really like the salsa. You can't sleep on their chips, even though it's a side item. If you guys like this video, like it, comment down below where you want us to go next, and subscribe for more food vlogs. Deuces.